So if you're doing your test in Ashford, you might have to park on this main road here, because there's hardly any car parking space next to the driving test center, and if there isn't, you'll be parked on the main road, and you'll be asked to move off from the main road. So let's do it. Biting point. Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. Today we're going to do a slightly unusual driving test route. It's going to be one of the easiest test route personally, I think, for myself. So I myself will be doing the driving test, showing you how to drive, and we'll be based in Ashford. It's a nice, wide, quiet roads, open roads, lot of dual carriageways. So there are still difficulties in the test routes. You have loads of dual carriageways, A roads, and the side roads as well can be extremely narrow, but generally it is a fairly quiet area. So we're going to show you how to drive in such routes. Maybe in your area, in your locality, the roads aren't as congested, maybe they're opened up, just like the routes that we're going to show you today. So from my point of view, it feels like it was a fairly easy route, but let me know if I made any mistakes. Correct me, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all the latest videos. We show you how to pass your driving test, first time, what the examiners look out for, how to impress driving examiners. So make sure you subscribe. Now down to gear 2, scan, there's a bus coming, go to gear 1. He's going left, so I'm going to squeeze in, hog my inside lane, up to gear 2, indicates come off, put it back on, follow the shape, 1, 2, after 2, check your left mirror, interior left, indicate left, and move across. Check all your mirrors. There's another roundabout. Let's take the third exit. Interior right, indicate. Come off the gas slightly, scan, lean forward, look to the right. It's clear to go, we're gonna go. Inside lane again, 1, 2, interior left, indicate left, and come off. If you guys can remember that routine, every single roundabout should be smooth. Okay, check all your mirrors. You can see red lights up ahead. See a van in the way as well. So interior right, brake, gonna to gear 1 now. Double check that right mirror, squeeze in, up to gear, go down to gear 1 again. This guy just randomly stops, alright. Up to gear 2, this driving instructor or driving car's in his exam. We're gonna go left, interior left, indicate left about now, squeeze in, and look in front of you, you can see giveaway lines. That means as we get around, we need to look right. We need to make sure it's safe. It is safe, we're gonna go. So literally just drove past the Ashford driving test center. Watch out for the zebra crossing. And let's find somewhere safe to stop. Interior left, indicate left about now, get yourself in, brake and clutch goes down, and let's stop about here. Okay, handbrake neutral, cancel the indicator. So if you're doing your test in Ashford, you might have to park on this main road here, because there's hardly any car parking space next to the driving test center, and if there isn't, you'll be parked on the main road, and you'll be asked to move off from the main road. So let's do it. Biting point, 6-point check. Over your right shoulder, you can see a car coming. You don't want to fail on the first literally 10 seconds. We'll be patient. So after this car goes, look over your right shoulder, indicate, double check, and let's go. Gear 2, check all your mirrors. Brake a little bit, okay. Up to gear 3. That lady there was a driving examiner, okay. Anyway, let's not point out all the driving examiners to you guys. Okay. Far ahead you can see a little roundabout. You can't really see on the right on that roundabout, so as I get there I'm going to make sure I'm going to go to gear 2. So brake, clutch goes down, go down to gear 2. Scan, lean forward if necessary, look right, it's clear, look ahead as well, follow the shape of the roundabout and carry on up to gear 3. Let's take the second exit on the roundabout, so therefore you should be on the left lane, general rule of the roundabouts. Okay. So interior left, stay on the left lane. Scan already, go down to gear 2, scan, quite a few cars are coming. He's been blocked off though, so I'm going to push in. Okay, hog the left lane here, check our mirrors, interior left, indicate left to come off. Double check the right mirror, in case somebody cuts in from the right, cancel the indicator. And let's go right at this roundabout. Check our mirrors, interior right, indicate right, scan. And that's the end of part 2. Do check us out on fmdriveschool.co.uk for more information regarding driving lessons, and subscribe to all our other social medias at FM Driving for the latest updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.